Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own Solana SPL token for your project using the command line. So obviously first go into your terminal and first we want to make sure that curl is installed. So we need to run the command sudo install curl. And because we are running the command as admin, we need to enter our password. Right, so this is done. And then we want to install the Solana tool suite. So go inside the Solana documentation. I'll put the link in the description. And you can copy the line right here. And then in your command tool, you can paste the line right here and then enter. So right now it's installing the Solana tool suite. And so this is done pretty fast on my side because I've already had the Solana tool suite on my computer. Then we want to make sure that we update the path variable so we can run export, and you can copy the line right here and then paste it here and enter. Right, so this is done, and then we want to create a folder, so we can use the command make directory, and we'll call the folder, let's say, crypto new token right here, and then we want to enter that folder, so we can say crypto new token right here. Right, so now we are in the folder, and the first thing we want to do is create a key pair, a wallet. So we need to run the command line Solana keygen new auth file flag Solana key pair dot JSON. Right, and then I mean, we don't, if you don't need the passphrase, then just press enter. Right, and now the public key and seed phrase have been generated. So we need to save the public key right here, and we also need to save the seed phrase. So remember to save it somewhere. Right, and then I'm going to show you. So this is the folder that we've just created, so crypto new token, and inside that folder we've also created a file which is Solana keypair.json, and if I open the file, let's open the file. So it's taking some time. So right. So here's the file, and basically this is the private key of your wallet. So we want to copy that, and then we can add a new wallet in Phantom or whatever wallet for Solana you're using. So you can click on add connect wallet, import private key, and then I'll call it dev crypto new, okay, and then paste the private key right here, import, and that's it. Your wallet is imported. So let's go back into the command line, and right now by default we are going to be on the mainnet, but we need to move to the devnet, so we can copy and paste the command that you can find on the documentation again, so right here. So I'm copying that line, and in the terminal I will paste the line and press enter. Right, so you can see now we are on the devnet right here. And to create our token, which is a transaction being made on the chain, obviously we need to have in our wallet some SOL token. So we can request some token using the command Solana airdrop. And then maybe we can request, let's say 5 SOL token. And I'm going to copy the public address that I just created. So that one here, and then enter. So you see it's requesting the airdrop to my wallet on the devnet. And to show you, if I go back to Phantom right here, see I'm connected to, make sure you're connected to the devnet. And see I have 5 SOL that have been airdropped into my wallet. So to create the token, finally, we can run the command SPL-Token and then create token. So it's creating the token right now. And you can see here, this is the token address. So we can copy that and save it somewhere. And basically to manage this token now, we need to create an account. So what we need to do is SPL token create account. And then here I'll paste the token address that you can see at the top here. Right, so the account has been created. So similar to the previous steps, I want to save the account address, which is right here. And now that we have the account, we want to mint our token. So we can enter the command SPL-Token mint, and then we want to copy the token address, and then we need to specify how much token we want to mint. So we can say maybe, let's say 1 million, so 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Right, so you see now I've minted 1 million token, and basically I can check the balance of my account. So I can do SPL token balance, and I need to copy and paste the token address. So right here. And see here, this is the balance of my token, and I can also see it here. See, unknown token, 1 million tokens. So if you want to see the list of actions that you can do with the command line with your token, you can run the command line SPL-Token with the H flag. And see here, this is all the commands that you can do. So account info, address, burn, help, mint, revoke, supply. So I won't go into the details for this tutorial, but I would suggest you to have a look at the documentation on the Solana website. Yeah, that's it for today. Next video, I'll show you how to have your token recognized by the wallet right here. So not to have unknown token, but the actual name of your token. But in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.